And RJ Arglina Group track and field analyst Dwayne Extol, who had bemoaned the impact of a second consecutive champs cancellation, also weighed in on Friday's development.
I think good sense is prevailing and it has prevailed because for what I've noticed with the development meets, they've run the meets very well. There's been no reported cases of COVID-19 from any other track meets, so they can use that data to say that these organizers have all their ducks in a row when it comes on to running an event like champs. So I think it's a great opportunity now for us as a nation to see our young athletes get a chance to showcase their talents.
But will the long state of uncertainty affect the athletes' performances?
Damage is psychological more than anything else. I remember the only delay I ever had in track and field was competing at a meet, and we had a lightning delay for an hour, and that threw me off completely. So imagine in a time like this, the athletes not being able to know when they're going to compete, how things are going to happen. I think it really does a lot of psychological damage, but they're very strong athletes, and I think they'll come out better. I think it will help them going forward. If something like this is to ever happen again, they'll be better prepared.
And we asked Extol, a former champs winner, to offer advice to student athletes competing in these unprecedented times.
It's not this. It won't be the same champs as years gone by. It's more about doing your best, giving the best mark, the best times, the best distances, and just be patient because it's not the same as 2 years ago or 3 years ago. You have to be patient. Your coaches would know what you need to do. Just trust the process. Don't overexert yourself. Don't try because if you're competing and you feel something, you stop. Sports isn't the life. There's life after sports, so you can always come back. Just take your time, go out and have fun. Listen to your coaches as always, and just embrace the moment for what it is.